Getting unable to connect to the server, please try again later on League of Legends Wild Rift. If you get this unable to connect to the server, watch and learn 3 advanced troubleshooting guides to fix your problem. Let's get started. Trick 1. Change your country. Open your Google Play Store. Type VPN. Install a VPN. Now set up the VPN on your device. After this, connect with a different server. Once you're connected, follow the second trick. Solution 1. Boost your internet connectivity. Open Setting, scroll down, tap the additional setting, scroll down, tap the developer options, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, activate the always mobile data on if you are on a mobile network. Solution 2. Check the League of Legends server. Open a browser, type downdetector.com, tap search, type League of Legends Wild Rift. Please try to understand the chart, or you can check the status or comment to know whether the server is up or down. If the server is down, wait for an hour and check your problem. Solution 3. Remove the software bugs from the League of Legends mobile. Now tap and hold League of Legends Wild Rift gaming apps. Tap App Info. Enable the Auto Start option. Also enable app permission. Now allow all the necessary permission for your League of Legends app. Go back here, choose other permission. Like before, please allow the list of options that you have here. Go back and tap restricted data usage. Enable Wi-Fi and both mobile data from here. After this, tap battery saver. Select no restrictions. Tap clear data. Tap clear all data. Tap OK. Before you open, update the apps from the Google Play Store. After doing all the processes, your problem will be solved. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.